Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm introducing you to the Grok, the AI-powered chatbot app from Elon Musk's AI. I'll guide you step by step on how to install, chat with it, and even unlock creative features like image generation. Let's dive in. Grok is a conversational AI chatbot developed by xAI and integrated into the X platform, formerly Twitter. It is known for its witty, rebellious tone, think sarcasm, and humor while still delivering factual answers. You can use Grok to ask questions, generate images, summarize information, and even brainstorm ideas. It is available as a standalone app for iOS and Android. Now, to use it, you need to go to the App Store and download the app if you haven't. So search Grok on the search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and tap on install. And after installing it, once opened up, log in with your account. Grok access often requires an X Premium Plus subscription, though some basic access may be available for free X users. Open Grok and type anything in the text box right here. There's the Ask Anything option, so you can type anything and the AI responds with conversational, often witty insights delivered in real time. Use it like a friendly chat partner, ask trivia, get explanations, or just joke around. For more thoughtful responses, activate Think mode is available. Scroll the chat to revisit responses or start a new conversation. Tap the image icon or type a prompt like generate a watercolor for a scene. Grok uses its Aurora image model to create visuals based on your prompt. This feature may be available for free or may require access via Premium Plus. Developers and professionals can use Grok for coding help, debugging, or brainstorming content. Grok is useful for quick ideas, summaries, or ingredients lists. Just remember to fact-check important information. Be mindful of controversial outputs. Grok is known for slipping into risky or unmoderated territory. Be clear and specific in your prompts. Try follow-up questions for more depth. Use Grok for creative inspiration or quick learning, but verify critical information with reliable sources. And that is how you can use the Grok app, chat, generate images, brainstorm, and explore AI with personality. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.